The threat of rain tonight, it did not interrupt the balloon glow at the annual Colorado Springs Balloon Classic. Hundreds of spectators came out for what could be the last hot air balloon event on this holiday weekend. KRDO News Channel 13 Scott Harrison is live at Memorial Park, where tonight's glow ended just a short time ago. Hi, Scott.
Hey, Jonathan. Well, they just turned the lights out here at Memorial Park a few minutes ago, so things are winding down for the night. Still a few people milling around in the background. But a couple of hours ago, when the glow was going on, this place was packed. There were so many people here that it was really hard to move around. And a lot of people had cameras. Just about everyone had a camera to record what quite possibly could be the last balloon event here in the Springs for a while. Of course, we hope that doesn't happen, but it's a possibility. Let's take you to video from when the glow got started here earlier tonight. The majestic sight of those big balloons going up into the air with the vivid colors and the roar of those burners filling them with the hot air. Always a great sight to see. And the balloon glow, I think, is giving people a new appreciation of the event, and a lot of people having mixed emotions tonight. There's a lot of pride about being here for an event that's been here for 39 years now, but also that underlying sadness that this may be it for a while. And as Jonathan mentioned, it is a family tradition, and we spoke with the family who shared with us what it means to them.
I bring my kids out every year we've been here. I've been here 9 years, and my kids enjoy it.
What are you going to do without it?
Well, I guess we'll have to figure out a new adventure.
And there are lots of other activities out here at Memorial Park for the Labor Day weekend, but people come to see the balloons, and tonight they definitely were not disappointed. For the 39th year, just as much amazement and wonder and enjoyment about the hot air balloons as there was when this thing started 39 years ago. And this isn't it. Weather permitting, we'll see the balloons glow again tomorrow night and Monday night. And then after that, we'll wait to see what happens, if something else will come to replace the Balloon Classic here. But for tonight, a great night. Everybody went away happy. We're live at Memorial Park in the Springs tonight. Scott Harrison, KRDO News Channel 13.